Have you noticed something? The older you get, the less interested you become in pretending. You stop chasing approval. You stop trying to impress everybody. And honestly, you start protecting your peace a lot more carefully. And maybe that's why so many people say life becomes clearer after 60. Not easier, clearer. Because by this stage of life, you survived things, disappointment, loss, stress, change, heartbreak, technology updates nobody understands. Seriously, why does every app suddenly look different overnight? But through all of it, you adapted, and that resilience changes you. Many people quietly fear turning 60 because they think life is shrinking. But for many people, the opposite happens. Life becomes more intentional. Relationships becomes deeper. Confidence becomes steadier. And purpose becomes more personal. You stop asking, what do people expect from me? You start asking, what actually matters to me now? And maybe that's the real gift of this chapter. Not youth, freedom. Freedom to live more honestly, more peacefully, more meaningfully. Because life after 60 is not about fading away. For many people, it is the chapter where they finally become themselves. Watch the full episode on thrive60.com.